This is day 2 for this weekend's East Lansing Art Festival. Thanks again to a few of our sponsors here at the festival, such as MSU, FCU, the Pure Energy Widow Company, and us at WKR. Thanks right over there.
What does art mean to you?
It's colorful. It's it's an opportunity to bring something nice into your home and enjoy it and appreciate it. And most of the stuff, whether it's me or anybody else, it lasts a lifetime. I mean, so you have it for the rest of your life and you pass it on to the next generation. It's great. Art's one of the few things that can do that. You can't really do that with too many other things.
My name is Jill Marino and my business is called Jill's Ceramics.
What does art mean to you?
Art means just free expression of myself and ideas and just creating things that make me happy and supporting other artists by going to art fairs and just having fun.
My name is Damon Morochek, and my business name is called Briarwood Designs. You know, art is fascinating. I think it's something that means a lot of different things to different people. For me, what I appreciate out of it is taking something that didn't exist and then creating something beautiful out of it.
I'm Amy Taylor, and I'm a sole proprietor, and my name is Amy Taylor.
What does art mean to you?
What does art mean to me? Freedom. You can express all sorts of thoughts with art. So love and freedom and power and the depths of despair and the heights of happiness. So.
So my name is Avery Boggs, and this is Kendra Boggs Artwork. That's literally just the name. She's been doing this since 2007, and she's been going all around the country, just showing her art, making it for her family, and yeah.
What does art mean to you?
To me, well, as the daughter of an artist, I get to see my mom's basically her ideas and like just what's going on in her mind, her thoughts and ideas just on a piece of canvas, and it's really cool that I get to help her sell it and show appreciation to it.
Oh, this is my first time doing a self-portrait, and the idea just came to me so spontaneously. I already had the reference photo for myself, but I looked at it and I was like, I think this would be really cool, just surrounded by stars and space, to kind of give this feeling of like I'm not just a human body with a soul, I'm a soul with a human body, and this is kind of representative of the soul and just the power that is within it, because it feels so mystical. I wanted to have it be whimsical, figurative, imaginative, which is something I don't normally do with my art, but I wanted to try my hand at it as well as doing it with a self-portrait to make it vulnerable and humbling and compelling all in one go. So I think it's captured pretty well. I'm certainly very happy with it. It's not often that I impress myself, but this one I look at it and I'm like, hey, I did that. I can't believe I did that. And I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm almost done with it.
Yes, it did. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. What's your name and where can people find you?
Oh, Taylor Marufus. You can find me on my website, Taylor Marufus Fine Art, and my ad on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube are all Taylor Marufus Fine Art.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yep.